Now I'm going to show you how to write the application on Android. Programming this app is extremely easy. I spent about 2 hours in writing this app. Actually, I spent more time in making this video than writing this app. I'm sure anyone can learn it in 2 hours. This app is running on SL4A, scripting layer for Android. It's one of the pet projects for some of the Google employees. It's still in alpha stage. SL4A is not a language. You don't need to learn it. You just need to download it. You can pause the video now and use your phone to scan the QR code on this screen. It will allow you to download the app. Alternatively, you can download the app from the URL on this screen. This app is written in Python. You can download Python for SL4A using this QR code, or you can also download it from this URL here. Python is extremely easy to use. You can learn it in 2 hours. I just learned Python yesterday. Before today, I have never wrote a single line of Python, and I'm already writing this app today. If you want to learn Python, this is the site I use. It is much more easier than using Java and Eclipse. It took me 2 hours to learn Python. In contrast, just using Eclipse gave me a 2-hour headache. You can download my source code from this URL address. My application only has 2 files. One is Siri.py, the other one is Siri Engine.py. It is very simple. Siri.py only has 6 lines of code. The whole application is running in a while loop of 4 lines. Until someone say the word bye, the application will end. Now let's look at the Siri Engine.py. The voice recognition is ridiculously simple. All it takes is 1 line of code like this. Droid.recognize speech. The text-to-speech is also ridiculously simple. It takes another line of code for Android to speak the text. For the image of Siri, I'm using the ASCII art from the website Chris ASCII Art. For the question transformation, I store it in a tuple. So for example, if someone say goodbye, it will turn into bye. If someone say see you, it will be the same thing. So you don't need to program reaction for different speech. For answers, I'm using a dictionary object. I'm just using the keyword and transform it into the answer. As you can see from here, that's the reason why every time I ask what's the capital of some country, it will always be Buenos Aires. If you want Siri to do a Google search, this is the line you need. So all the complicated stuff is really simple. All you need is just 1 line of code. As for development environment, I'm using IronPython on Visual Studio 2010 from Microsoft. You can download IronPython for free. Visual Studio 2010 Express is also free. But if you really hate yourself, you can also use Eclipse. I mean, it's working. It's just not very user-friendly. Again, if you want to download my codes, you can get it here. This is my first Python app, so I'm sure there's lots of bugs. Now you know that you don't have to be an Apple engineer to write something as complicated as Siri. So thanks for watching.